Hey besties, welcome back for another video. And in today's video we're working with Lifewit, and I would like to thank Lifewit for sponsoring today's video. Lifewit 13-piece airtight food storage containers with lids also comes with writable labels, which is a nice thing, especially if you don't own a Cricut. These containers are very versatile and easy to use. It is a great set of containers if you're beginning your organization, or if you want to gift it to someone, or if you just want something a little different and you don't really have the finances or the funds to get those super snazzy containers. Remember, stay in your lane. Also, some folks don't like the acrylic or the clear containers. This is also a good option for those folks as well, as the different sizes that accommodate any size cabinets or space in your home. There are other places you can use these containers as well. Anywhere like your laundry room, your bathroom, anything like that, you can use it to hold your powder, your scent beads, your pods, any kind of thing. I would not suggest the liquid though. That would be messy. Your ponytail holders, your bobby pins, etc. I will leave the links to the containers and Lifewit's website down in the description box, and you can go and check them out at your leisure. And I want to thank again Lifewit for sponsoring today's video. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.